My name is Luke Hereford and I am the writer and performer of Grandmother's Closet.
Let's go.
It's essentially about my relationship with my grandmother, who growing up was my #1 ally, who encouraged everything about me. One of the key players helping me understand who I am today. The collaboration started just by me reaching out. They really championed it right from the start, giving me lots of advice as a first-time writer. So I wanted to make a show that was unapologetically queer and unapologetically me. Maybe a bit self-indulgent, but maybe that's okay.
At the back of Nan's house, which for more than 5 decades served as the village laundrette, run by Nan.
The writing process was entirely alien to me. It really surprised me that, you know, the script that I had on day one wasn't perfect. Which is funny because I've seen it from the other perspective as a director, but as a writer I was like, no, it's great, it's good to go. So that was really surprising. I learned so much. For a long time I was making work and not really tuning into my queer identity for a number of reasons, and I think as soon as I unlocked why I wanted to tell queer stories, my work's kind of run away with that, and my work has sort of grown into almost always being about queerness in some way. Yeah, I didn't think that my first play would get a slot at Edinburgh Fringe, supported by Wales Millennium Centre, and in a wonderful venue like Summerhall, which is where we ended up doing the show. We've been to Manchester, we've been to Bristol, we've also been to Oslo in Norway. It's been great to have all these different experiences of audiences in all of those places. But the thing that kind of stays true wherever we go is like this idea of queer allyship, queer love and queer joy and queer self-love. Grandmother's Closet actually has a really massive team of collaborators behind it. So I guess, yeah, collaboration is a huge part of making work. I definitely would not be doing this victory lap if it wasn't for, I guess, the village that it's taken us to get here.